Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today we're going to be replacing the rear indicator bulb on the Volkswagen T4 Transporter. Now this is a clear bulb, 12 volts, 21 watts. Because obviously at the back you've got an orange plastic housing, so you only need a clear bulb. The indicator bulb is in the housing here. Now to get access to this, either open your barn doors or raise your tailgate. And you've just got a small plastic cover here, pull it towards you, inwards towards the van, it should just clip out. And the bulb cluster housing is in here. Now what you've got is you've got two clips, one on either side. Put your hand in there and what you're doing is you're just squeezing them both inwards, and then that releases the clips and you should just be able to pull it towards you. There we go. And the indicator bulb is this one here. Now what you do is you just push it in gently and then you turn it anti-clockwise, probably about 20 degrees, and then remove the bulb. Now this is a standard bulb with standard pins, and if we look at this one, it is actually broken. Take your brand new bulb, clear bulb, 21 watts. Line it up again, push it in and turn clockwise about 20 degrees and then it's in. Do you want to put that indicator back on again? Just indicator? Yeah, the left one. Yeah. Then the right one. Lovely. Yeah, all done?
All good.
Brilliant stuff. Now we can get this bulb cluster back in. Whilst I'm putting this back in, there's a link above now on various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of Volkswagens. What you do is you just line the cluster back up and then you just push it home with your fingers and you should just hear it clip into place. Then you can just put the plastic cover back on and job's a good one. And after all that hard work, it is definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.